This is brother machine XM2701, and I'm going to unbox it, and I will show what comes with it and what's inside the box. These are the pressure foot and needles, bobbin, some tools. So this is what it comes with the box. This is the manual book, and it comes with a CD, so if you need any help with how to use it, you can always see it. Now this is the foot pedal. This is the storage area where you can use it as a storage area. You can fold it and put it inside and then put it back on its place. I'm going to change the bobbin, and I will show you how it works. But if you have seen my previous videos, you must have seen my other video of the review of the machine. Both are like same. This one is SM2700 and this one is XM2701. Both have same functions. They are almost like same, only the difference is the color in both of them. So if you saw the review of this machine, I have showed you guys everything how it works. So with this machine I will not show everything because it already is in my videos. So if you have any confusion how to use this, then you can see in my previous video the review I gave, and I will add the URL in the description box, so you can see how both machine works. Both work same way, everything, dial, the stitches, everything is same in both of them. Only difference is the number, and that's it, and the color, that's it. So I will just check this machine how it works, and I will show you the results. Pull it out. This is the stand we are going to put our spool, and then carefully put it here. Then there is a metal area over here which you have to go through. Then there's a loop here from left, and then another left here from this. There's a metal piece over here which you have to go from right to left. Now pull it down. Here's the metal area again. There's just a small hook which you're going to hold the thread. This is the needle threader, so pull it down. You can see the needle is going in. Now that is threaded. Now carefully move the wheel one time and pull the bobbin thread out. This will get pulled now. Now I'm going to start on the fabric just to show how it looks like. I will choose any stitch. Right now I'm just going to go on a scrap fabric here, and this fabric is around 47 inches length and width is around 31 inches, and I'm making tabletop. So I'm going to start here. So for this one I will start with the number 5 width, and length of this is the length of the stitch, so I'm gonna go down. So I will start all the numbers one by one and then I will show you the results. This is number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is number 10, 11, 12, 13, and this is number 14 stitch. So this is everything is same like SM2700, and this one is XM2701. So, and even the changing of the dial is the same. When we go, I'm going to start now number 15, and from 15 to 27 stitch is little bit different than the first one. This one you manage how the width is going to be, the length is going to be. In this one you can manage the width of the stitch, and machine the stitching moves forwards and backwards to make the exact design. So, and even the dial, when you move back, keep moving here, and then you see this is SS. When you go to SS, then the inner numbers from 15 to 27 works. Now I'm going to start the stitches from 15 to 27 again, and then I will show how it comes out and how it looks. You can see how the fabric is moving forth and back to make the perfect stitch. This is the stitch is from 15 to 27, the SS dial, which is very unique stitch, and these are all unique stitches and makes the perfect machine to buy. And I love how the stitches look like. This is 27, 26. Both are looking like identical, but both are, the design is little bit, have a tiny slightly change in both of them. So I love this machine, and you will love it too, and you will not regret buying it, because I am not. And I will show the project how it's done, and let's complete this one, and then I will show you guys all the stitches. This is the last number 15 stitch, and you see in the machine, when you see the machine, you can see this thing, number 15, 3 lines. So it does not mean it's gonna be very far 3 lines of the stitch. It means that each stitch is going to be 3 stitches, like 3 lines all at once. This, which makes it look little bit thick, but it is 3 line of a stitch. But I did all the embroideries, everything is good, and this one looked little bit lonely, so I am adding number 5 stitch on this one, and you will see how it looks in the end. So this is not just one stitch, this is two stitch together. This one is number 15 and this one is number 5. This way you can make your own designs and you can change the designs the way you want it to be. And now I still have 1 2 3 4 lines left of the embroidery, and all 27 stitches I am done with already. I will show all at once, but since I'm doing that, I will tell you guys one thing, that these, you see, I made all straight lines, but don't think that you can stop on one line only straight. You can only stitch straight lines. You can choose your own stitch and move it while you're stitching the way you want it to be. So I'm just going to pick a random number of stitch. I think let's go with number 10. Okay, so I am going to go with the number 10 stitch, and this one I am not going to stitch straight. I'm gonna go wavy line. Let's see how the wavy line looks like here. And you can see this is my straight line, which I did all the embroideries and I tried all the stitches, but this one I'm going to do wavy line. It can be a longer stitch, shorter stitch, whatever you pick. So this is my longer stitch, like I have picked the length of the stitch on 2.5. So let's see how it looks. See how I made a wavy look here, and here all the stitches are straight. This is just a simple way to show. If you are a beginner and new to the machine, you can just see the videos and try all the stitches of your likings and make lots of new things. 27 stitches are here now, and you can see all the stitches are looking very good and perfect. If you can see here carefully in close up, you can see all the stitches one by one. And this is all done by the machine XM2701. Only one stitch is left, which is number 2. So I'm going to stitch on the side, and since this is a tabletop, this is very good. You can make your own tabletops, and then you don't need to put any placemats or runners on the table. Now the machine is ready for the stitch number 2. I have moved the needle back in the middle, and the length of the stitch is on number 2. So let's start here. Even number 2 stitch is very good and perfect, and this is the open area where I am going to flip my tabletop. I'm going to lock the open area here. This embroidered tabletop is ready, and the review of the machine XM2701 is ready here, and my project is perfect and machine has no problem. Everything is good with it. If you haven't seen the review of my machine SM2700, then you can see I will add the link in the description box, and you can see it. I have used all the stitches in a detailed way in that video. If you don't know how to use this machine, simply go to the link and click there, and you can see how it works and how to use all the stitches in a detailed way. Thank you so much for watching my videos.